Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a crazy deal to get Scott paper products for $1.44 each, and this is a sensational deal. I saw this yesterday and I was like, oh my gosh, it deserved its own video, so that's why it wasn't in yesterday's curbside video. So what we're doing for this is ordering this paper curbside, meaning you're ordering it through the Walgreens app, driving to the store and picking it up, curbside pickup, because you guessed it, we're using coupon codes with this deal. Now, for many of you that have a 10 back when you spend 30, this is what's going to come to play for this deal. If you don't have it, I'm so sorry, you can't do this deal to get it for this price. But, if you have it and you've been on the fence all week, you're like, I don't really like any deals. We're always trying to stock up on paper products, so this might be the deal for you. For this deal, you need your booster loaded, and then you're also going to grab 5 of the paper towels. Now, I'm asking you guys to get a mix and match because some stores will limit you the amount that you can put into a basket. I've even seen it myself. So that's 25 and 5 of the toilet papers. Honestly, I'd rather just get 10 toilet papers because I have some problems. Everybody just wants toilet paper for me. But yeah, that's what I would do if I could, but I couldn't even do it myself in my digital card. And then we're going to load the following digital coupons. This is the Walgreens coupon, and see how it says $1.25 off with my Walgreens, so you know, oh, it's the Walgreens coupon. It's going to take $1.25 off of each pack, so that's really fantastic. And you're also going to load the dollar digital manufacturer for the toilet paper, and then the dollar digital manufacturer for the paper towel. Now, I'm going to show you the math, but there's also some rebate apps that you have to look at carefully before doing this deal, and that'll be at the end of this. So just to show you, Scott, the $1.25 IVC, $12.50 coming off, and another Scott, and then $7.10 with the code SAVE20. There's also another code, I think it's OG20, and it's 20% off of a $50 purchase, but SAVE20 is still working for me, so that's what I went with. So you pick tomato, it's all the same at the end, but that's some significant savings, so that's why we're doing it curbside. So the overall total is $50. We have $19.60 melting off with the 20% off coupon code and the $1.25 Walgreens store coupon for Scott. Curbside pickup is free, a little bit of tax, our $2 digital melting off. So the total there is $30.22. Now, to answer a quick question, because a lot of people get stumped up about this, they're going to say, hey, you're below that $30 mark, you're not going to get it. But if you look at the $50 mark, subtracting $19.60, your total is $30.40, and you can use manufacturers with that. So it doesn't matter if you're at, $28, you're still going to achieve your $10 in Walgreens cash. But you're still there because I've looked at that math 15 times. So for that balance, you're going to use your debit card or credit card to pay the balance. Okay, so what you're getting back here, guys, is $10 in Walgreens cash for spending $30 with that booster, and not everybody got that really generous booster as well, just to note that. Make sure your Shopmium rebates are activated. It's $1 back for 1 paper towel, $1 back for 1 toilet paper, and you didn't use a manufacturer for most of those items in the basket, so you'll qualify for that. And then Swagbucks also has another $2 back, double, triple check that you have that rebate. After this $14 back, it's like $14.40 for the 10 or $1.44 per paper product. If I've ever heard or seen of one, that is a stock up price, and I would make it happen. Obviously, the 10 back when you spend 30 is absolutely critical in this. If you have the dreaded $60 basket booster, this would be a big chunk of it. So you would just, throw in some toothpaste, maybe some Axe, just make that math balance. But yeah, just a fantastic deal if you have that 10 back when you spend 30 booster. Now, I was talking yesterday about these digital coupons. I'm like, you better load them because they're fantastic. Now, I was looking at the different skincare, but there's no promotion right now to go with it. And even with a spend 30, get back 10, it's still like $15, which is very expensive for some of these skincare products. So what I'm thinking, guys, if you can go into your store and see what's on clearance, because a lot of the clearance stuff in the store is up to 75 to 90% off, perhaps you can make a deal happen. Remember, it has to be the value of the digital coupon. They don't give overage and the coupon doesn't reduce down in store. But I just could not find any clearance items with digitals to make it balance, but maybe in store it might be a different story for you. And open up that app and just definitely scan those barcodes because that's the only way to do it. And in case you missed it yesterday, I made another curbside video showing little $10 baskets and a dreaded $60 basket. You might want to check it out. I will link this video here at the very end. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. And good luck with that toilet paper deal. How fantastic is it?